Hi there, and welcome to our video today on warehousing in Acumatica. Today I'll be creating a brand new warehouse and then importing inventory quantities to populate that warehouse with inventory. To start, we will have to navigate to the inventory module under our profiles and warehouses, where we'll see a list of all the warehouses in the system. And this is because Acumatica naturally handles the ability to maintain multiple warehouses. And in some cases, customers use vehicles such as trucks or even trailers as warehouses because they have inventory stored there and they'd like better accuracy overall. So to create a new warehouse, I will click on the New Record button and enter my warehouse name. At this point, I can enter a template that I'm going to use from the system for a new warehouse. This will auto default all the affiliated GL accounts as well as address information, which we can go ahead and change for our new warehouse. We'll verify that the locations are all correct and we'll hit save. We have now just created a new warehouse in Acumatica. Now we have to populate this warehouse with inventory. So to do that, we'll go into our inventory module and our receipts. I will have to open up our Excel sheet to make the modifications. So here you can see that I have opened up my new Excel sheet from the Acumatica export that I just did earlier to save some time. So here we will have to add 3 columns from the natural export from stock items, which I've just exported all of our inventory. And I'll type in our warehouse name that we've just created, our location in the warehouse we'd like this to go. And at this point, I would also enter quantities across the board. To save time, I'll keep it all the same and save this. So these are the 3 columns you need to add after exporting from stock. And you can also export from by item class if particularly you might be a manufacturer who has raw materials in one warehouse, but you want to track your finished goods in another. You could track all your finished goods that way as well. So I'm going to use the import from file. I'll select the file and hit upload. Now the Acumatica system will ask me to map all of the columns that I require: inventory ID, description, warehouse location, and of course our quantities. I'll hit OK, and the system will now kick off the process and load in those files. Here we can see that all of our inventory and quantities have defaulted in. It's going to our new warehouse under receiving, and our quantities are totaling 20. I'll go ahead and now take this off hold. Save this. We can see that the status has balanced. So the process is done. It took about 46 seconds to populate this warehouse with inventory. Now we are going to verify that our inventory items have been populated into the warehouse. We'll go to our inventory summary generic inquiry, and I'll just run it for this particular item where you can see that there is a total of quantity available in this particular warehouse and location receiving. And if we change our items, let's say our Lego piece, it will reflect the same changes. Thanks for watching.